Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable chat features in Google Messages. I just want you guys to make sure that you have the last version of Google Messages from your App Store or from your Play Store. It depends on which phone that you have, and then I just want you to get through your app. Okay, so tap on it, and right here I want you to look for the top right corner to your Google picture, and then tap on it. Okay, so right here we can see the multiple options. I want you just to go to the second last one and tap on it, messages settings. Okay, so right here you have on the settings too much settings to be changed or to be updated or anything else. So right here I want you to go into RCS chats and tap on it. It's on the top of the settings, and right here as you can see it's off. I want to turn it into on, so it's just by one tap on that black option. So by tapping on it, enabled. So right here let's consider that I want to turn it off by tapping on it, by re-tapping on it. So they will send you a notification or a message or a warning. So right here it says not available when you turn off RCS chats. So these options or these tools will not be or it will no longer be available on your Google Messages, which are high quality photos and videos, RCS group chats, read receipts, and typing indicator, and also messaging with Wi-Fi or data, etc. So this tool or by enabling chat features, you will increase your experience with Google Messages, and you will enjoy this app also, and as it's so useful. It depends on you whether you want to enable this feature or you want to let it disabled. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.